Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, battery saver, braking assist, driver attention alert system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.